So, this is the Labeler platform, and I would be discussing a very great feature that is remarks on annotations. Remarks on annotation specifically comes into play because it's a very subjective area, and annotators may be very subjective around a particular annotation. They may need to provide their comments on certain annotations. Also, the other parties, that is the client reviewers and reviewers, may need to provide additional comments as answers to these comments. They may also need to provide the suggestions on annotations, or they may also want to point out mistakes around these annotations. This collaborative process of pointing issues in these annotations helps in achievement of 95% accuracy in future annotations. So let's go to the client review screen where the client can, easily review all the comments around the annotation. And I'll take a specific use case where of a specific use case where there are a lot of attributes uh, around an annotation, and a lot of attributes implies a lot of subjectivity in an annotation. So in this case, remarks on annotation feature helps all parties a lot in order to achieve consensus on all the parameters. For example, in this specific use case, you can see it has been annotated under specific categories such as stability, weight limit, balance, box proximity, box orientation, which are very relevant when you're discussing the stability of this whole ship in this image. So you can see that stability has been marked as at the risk of tipping. So I think as a client reviewer, I think this ship is quite stable, and because the cargo is evenly distributed throughout the ship, and so I'll put a remark as this ship is quite stable as cargo is evenly distributed throughout this ship. And I'll mark this as a mistake because this has been marked stability. Under stability, it has been marked. The answer was it is at the risk of tipping. So this is a mistake. So I'll add my remark, and so you have your remark here, and it has been categorized as a mistake. So also I can see other parameters. That is, one is balance, and it has been suggested that the cargo, it is evenly distributed, and so it and I think this is right. So you can see, that and I can see all the comments provided by other parties. For example, there's one comment that there should be more attributes while discussing balance for a cargo ship. And these all these remarks helps in open collaboration with other parties, and it helps all the parties annotate better. And when you'll be annotating another batch of images, so it will help all the parties achieve more consensus in annotations, and it will help all parties achieve a higher accuracy in future annotations. So happy annotating with specific use cases where there are a lot of attributes, lot of parameters, and a lot of consensus is needed around all these annotations. So happy annotating. Have a great annotation journey with Labelerr. Thank you.